In this video, I'm going to show you the sample pages that are included in the Letter Sounds free sample product on the Little Ravine Books store. This product has pages from the Letter Sounds Cut and Paste, the Letter Sounds Color Match, and the Letter Sounds Circlet. All three of these are also included in the Letter Sounds bundle. Now, these are all level 1 worksheets, which are focusing on letter sounds. We're not reading words just yet. We're just learning those sounds so that we can move on from there to read words. These are the pages that are included in this free sample, and I'm going to go through these one at a time in this video. First ones I'm going to do are going to be from the cut and paste pages. Let's do it like that. There we go. So those ones are these 3 pages here. I'm going to start with this one today. So in this worksheet, the students will cut these out. And the answers on these pages are just on the bottom of the page. So if there's a picture and you don't know what that picture is, and the students are asking you, those are just right here on the bottom of your page. Let's take a minute, cut these out. Okay. So the students are just beginning to learn these sounds. You can walk them through this activity one letter at a time as they get to know the letter sounds. So our first picture here is sing. So we can look at our letter sounds. I, s, t, and So you can ask our students, so we have sing here. You have I, sing, s, sing, t, sing, sing, and see if they can find where this picture belongs. We can repeat that with tennis. I, tennis, s, tennis, t, tennis, tennis. Inflate. I, inflate. S, inflate. T, inflate. Inflate. There we go. And map. I, map. S, map. T, map. Map. And from there, you would continue with snail and scissors and tiger and imagine and mouse, spider, igloo, and insect. So then these would be the final pictures for this page. The other page that I have, these are both set 4, so they have the same letters here. This one has 4 letters on it, this one has 3. You can get, this is a, you can print this double-sided. The cut and paste page is separate. And these ones have both the 3-letter option as well as the 4-letter option. If you want to just have everything on one page, this one also has the 3-letter option and the 4-letter option in this main product, not in the sample, but in the main product. You have both options for both styles of pages. All right, so on here, the cut and paste pages are on a separate page. You can print them double-sided. You have that option. For this, if you would like to print this on a colored paper instead to make the pictures stand out a bit, you are welcome to. I'm going to do that for this video just to make the pictures stand out a bit more. On here we have some more cut and paste ones that are in the full product here. It's not in the free sample, but that is what you would get in the full product. I'm going to take a minute just to cut this out. And you can see this is set 4. There's a 4 here, and we have which letter sounds you're looking for so that you can match the cut and paste to the proper page. Okay, so we don't need the ends. All right, now these are a lot of the same pictures for both set 4 pages, actually. I'll show you here. So set 4, if you just have I, S, and T, there's 3 letters on it, you're gonna have these pictures. If you have all 4 letters, you'll have a few extra pictures, but a lot of the same ones there. Just so you know that that is, that's in the full product. And then here you can go through the similar process with your students if they're just starting out. So we have scissors. You can go scissors, s, scissors, t, scissors. And hopefully they can hear that connection. And we have spider. And let's see. Tiger, tiger, s, tiger, t, tiger. Insects, insects, s, insects, t, insects. Inflate. Igloo. Imagine. Snail. Tennis. And sing. So that is what that final page will look like once they're all done. And again, you have the answers here on the bottom for you to reference if you don't know what some of those pictures are supposed to represent. So those are the 2 pages that you get in the free sample for the letter sounds cut and paste. Next, let's look at the color match. Here you're going to have 2 pages, and similar to the cut and paste pages, you have the 3-letter version and you have the 4-letter version. Both of these are set 5. Both of these have your answers on the bottom. So for this one, your students will need 3 colors. And pick a color for each letter. So remember, the focus on these pages is the letter sounds, not so much coloring in the lines. Your students are welcome to color really carefully if they like. They can circle stuff if they like, or they can just scribble and just mark which color matches each picture, which is what I'm going to do today. Because again, the focus on these pages is, do we know the letter sounds, not can we color neatly. So for our first picture, we have a frog, and we can do the same process as the last pages. Frog, frog, frog. So then that's going to be green for the letter F. Okay. Insects. Insects, insects, insects. Inch, 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 inch. Snail, snail, snail. Snail. And then we can continue with fire and foot, sun, inflate, feather, and iguana. And then this is what their final page may look like. And this one, we're going to do the same. We're going to do the same thing. We'll just need 4 colors. For that one, I'm going to pick the same colors for today so that I don't get confused. So we have the letter F, letter I, the letter S, and the letter T. Now all of the pages in the free sample, as well as each of the full products, sorry, not in the free sample, just in the full products, they are sequential. So if you go through them in order, the letter T, they have already covered that letter in one of the earlier pages. So you can go through these in order if it matches up with what you're already doing. I'm going to start with fire. And snail, inch, insect. You notice a lot of similar pictures to this one. We just have the extra letter there if your students are ready for that extra letter. Feather, inflate, frog, tennis, sun, iguana, truck, and foot. And there we go. That is what this final product will, what that final result would look like. And now last one, we're going to look at the Circlet pages. And same as the other ones, we have a shorter version and a longer version. The letters, so this is set 6. These ones were set 4. We have I, S, and T. These ones were set 5. We have F, I, and S. Now we have set 6, D, F, and I. And over here we have set 7 with R, D, and F. So the letters are slowly introducing more and more letters. Now with these ones, you can choose if you want the students to write down the letter at the bottom. I'm going to use pencil crayon. If they're ready for that, if not, they can just circle the letters, depending on their skill level and what it is that you want them to practice. And again, the answers are here at the bottom of the page. I'll start off with dolphin, D, dolphin, F, dolphin, I, dolphin. Fire, S, fire, D, fire, F, fire. Scissors, I, scissors, S, scissors, D, scissors. And same with fox, imagine, door, sun, feather, and deer. And that is what your finished page will look like. And then this one is similar, just with more pictures for them to do. All right, rainbow, rainbow, D, rainbow, F, rainbow. Inch, I, inch, inch, D, inch. Fox, F, fox, I, fox, fox. Dinosaur, D, dinosaur, F, dinosaur, I, dinosaur. We have ring, rocket, iguana, dog, rhino, doctor, fork, and deer. So even though we have the words on the bottom of these pages, at this point, the students are not ready to read these words. These are not like stuff like ring. We have our ing here. Dinosaur, that's a tricky one. Feather, we have that EA sound there. So these words are not on here for the students to read. They're just on there to show that we can put that, that beginning letter at the beginning of the word. And that's where that letter is going to go. And that's part of making the word. If you have a simple one like dog, sure, you can try to read that with them, but the level 2 is where we're going to begin to read words. So level 1 is just focusing on those letter sounds. So again, these are the pages that you will get in the free sample. And those are all available on the Little Ravine Books store on Teachers Pay Teachers. And if you would like to see any of these 3, there is a flip through video available as well. You can check that out. Hopefully that was helpful, and I'll see you in the next video.